If you're trying to screen mirror your iPhone to a TCL Google TV and can't get it to work, you're not doing anything wrong. The truth is, TCL Google TVs don't support native AirPlay or iPhone screen mirroring out of the box. So even if you open the screen mirroring option on your iPhone, your TV simply won't show up in the list. But don't worry, there is a simple workaround and it only takes a couple of minutes. To do this, you'll need a third-party app and there are several available. The one I personally recommend is called AirScreen because it's reliable and easy to set up. First, grab your TCL Google TV remote and press the home button. Go to the Apps section, scroll down to Search and type in AirScreen. Once you see the AirScreen app, go ahead and install it. After installation, open the app. If this is your first time launching it, you'll see a welcome screen. Just press Continue. The app will ask you to confirm that both your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is very important, because screen mirroring won't work if they're on different networks. You'll also be asked to grant location permission. Simply allow it while using the app. This helps AirScreen detect nearby devices on your network. Once that's done, AirScreen will finish initializing. You'll see a device name appear on the screen. This is the name your iPhone will detect for screen mirroring, so remember it. Now grab your iPhone. Make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Swipe down to open Control Center, then tap Screen Mirroring. You should now see your TCL TV listed, usually under the name shown in the AirScreen app. Tap on it, and after a few seconds, your iPhone screen will appear on your TCL Google TV. And that's it. Your iPhone is now successfully screen mirrored to your TCL Google TV. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.